Hello and welcome to Happy Hour Garden Party Edition Volume 3. What I'm trying to do in this run of videos is show you how to make drinks with some vegetables and herbs that you grow right in your backyard. Or maybe you don't have a green thumb and you can buy them at the farmer's market, but regardless, all the stuff that we have here was grown in our garden by my wife. So, maybe you have a little herb garden going on, a little vegetable garden. The whole point is to encourage you to try to work fresh ingredients into your drinks. This week will be no exception. We have already done cucumber, we have done mint, and now I would like to move over to sage, which I just love. The smell of sage, unbelievable. By the way, fried sage, have you ever had that? Just saying, look it up. I had it for the first time this past year and it blew my head off. Well, not all of it, because my head is huge. So we're gonna make a drink called the Sage Smash. Why is it called a Sage Smash? Well, because we're gonna smash the sage. So, okay, let's make a Sage Smash. Music. So much like the cucumber drink that we made, we're gonna use the muddler again. We're gonna need some ice in our tumbler. Not too much. So we have a nice little bunch here. Nice little bunch of leaves. You're gonna wanna pick enough of these leaves so that it has, the sage flavor pushes through the drink. Because this is not an infusion, what we're getting for flavor is just what we're able to release by breaking the leaves apart. Unlike the mint julep that we made, where we kind of gently massage the oils off, we are going to break these leaves apart. So I think I've got about 20-ish in there. Just a bunch of There's no point where you're gonna be like, oh, that's too much sage flavor. You probably will hit a shelf where it won't taste any more or less like sage. So, depending on your supply, how many drinks you intend to make, yada yada, so on and so forth. Now, we'll need some liquid in there to aid in the breaking up of the sage leaves. So we're just gonna basically build this drink, smash it to pieces, give it a little shake, and then strain it. So this drink, again, we're gonna go back to gin because this is my show. We're gonna do 2 ounces of Beefeater gin. And then 1 ounce each of simple syrup and 1 ounce lime juice. And basically what we did there is we just made sour mix, right? So now, with all of our ingredients in the tumbler, this is a bit messy and loud. Pardon me, I'll be right back. You really want to make sure you're getting the leaves broken up, and that's why we want the ice in there. Great. Now that all broken up in there, we're going to take a coupe glass. Now, okay, first of all, you could just pour this right into a cup and drink it. It's ready to go. Maybe a little soda water there could be in order. But I want to serve this up like we're going to a fancy garden party. And unlike the cucumber drink we made, I double strained that. I'm not double straining this one because I like to see the sage floating around there. I think it's kind of a cool presentation. Also get like a little bite of sage when you're drinking. That's an awesome thing. And then how will we garnish this? Well, let's grab some sage leaves that we like the look of. Yeah. I like these. We'll just float them on top. Very pretty. It's kind of polka dotted. Again, it's taking on the green hue of the sage. Have a sip. It's like a gin sage limeade. That's pretty much what it is. But in the martini form. That's a nice sip and drink. I would go to, if you invited me to a party and you were like making the sage smash, I'd be like, I'll be there. What can I bring? Sage. Yeah. Again, I'm a gin person. I like That's like my favorite spirit, neutral, but with character. That's kind of why I like it the best. But you could make this with vodka. You could probably make it with rum, like a white rum if you wanted to. It's a sour. What we're making is a sour. So if you add liquor, citrus, and sugar, that's a sour. Whiskey sour, gin sour, vodka sour, so on and so forth. Serve it up, serve it down, serve it all around. It doesn't really matter. This has been the Sage Smash, and this has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this drink and many other drinks at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone, which is a smart move. What to buy, where to buy it, and what to do with it once you get it. You can follow them on Instagram at Maine_spirits. But as always, we implore you to drink deliciously and responsibly. Thank you.